The Boeing 787 Dreamliner is a modern marvel in aviation, known for its efficiency and advanced technology. Let's delve into the specifics of its cargo loading capabilities. Cargo compartments. The Boeing 787 has several cargo compartments designed to maximize space and efficiency. Forward cargo compartment. Located near the front of the aircraft, this compartment can hold various types of unit load devices, ULDs, and pallets. Aft cargo compartment. Positioned towards the rear, this compartment also accommodates ULDs and pallets, providing significant cargo capacity. Bulk cargo compartment, a smaller compartment used for loose or bulk cargo that doesn't fit into standard containers. Cargo capacity. The cargo capacity of the Boeing 787 varies slightly between different models, but here are some general specifications. Boeing 787-8, this model can carry approximately 14.9 tons of cargo. It can accommodate 4 AKE containers and 5 PKG containers. Boeing 787-9, this model has a larger capacity, with the forward compartment able to hold up to 20 containers and the aft compartment up to 16 containers. The total cargo volume is around 154.4 cubic meters. Types of cargo containers. The Boeing 787 is compatible with various types of ULDs, including LD3 containers. Commonly used in the aviation industry, these containers fit perfectly into the aircraft's lower deck. LD9 containers, larger containers that provide more volume for cargo. Pallets, standardized flat structures used to support goods in a stable manner while being lifted by forklifts or other handling equipment. Loading process. The cargo loading process for the Boeing 787 involves several steps. Preparation. Cargo is first prepared and packed into ULDs or onto pallets. Each ULD is tagged and tracked to ensure it reaches its destination. Loading. Specialized ground handling equipment, such as cargo loaders and conveyor belts, are used to load the ULDs and pallets into the aircraft. The cargo doors on the Boeing 787 are designed to accommodate these containers efficiently. Securing. Once inside the cargo compartments, the ULDs and pallets are secured using locking mechanisms to prevent movement during flight. Balancing. Proper weight distribution is crucial for safe flight operations. The cargo is loaded in a way that maintains the aircraft's balance and center of gravity. Advanced features. The Boeing 787 incorporates several advanced features to enhance cargo operations. Automated systems. The aircraft is equipped with automated systems that assist in monitoring and managing cargo loads. Temperature control. For sensitive cargo, such as pharmaceuticals or perishable goods, the Boeing 787 offers temperature-controlled compartments to ensure the cargo remains in optimal condition. Efficient design. The design of the cargo compartments and doors allows for quick and efficient loading and unloading, reducing turnaround times at airports. Securing cargo during flight is crucial to ensure safety and stability. Here are the key methods used to secure cargo on aircraft. 1. Unit load devices, ULDs. Containers and pallets. Cargo is often packed into standardized containers or loaded onto pallets, known as unit load devices, ULDs. These ULDs are designed to fit securely within the aircraft's cargo hold and are equipped with locking mechanisms to prevent movement. Securing mechanisms. ULDs are secured to the aircraft's floor using built-in locks and fasteners. This ensures that the cargo remains stationary during flight, even in turbulent conditions. 2. Tie-down straps and nets. Straps and nets. For cargo that cannot be loaded into ULDs, tie-down straps and nets are used. These are strong, adjustable straps that can be tightened to hold cargo in place. Safety belts. Similar to seat belts, these are used to secure smaller items or irregularly shaped cargo. 3. Bulk loading. Even distribution. In some cases, especially on smaller aircraft, cargo is loaded directly into the hold and secured with netting or straps. The cargo is evenly distributed to maintain the aircraft's balance. Manual handling. Workers manually load and secure the cargo, ensuring that it is packed tightly and does not shift during flight. 4. Specialized equipment. Hydraulic lifts. For loading heavy or large cargo, hydraulic lifts and other specialized equipment are used to place the cargo securely within the aircraft. Custom solutions. For unique or oversized cargo, custom securing solutions are often required. This can include specially designed cradles or supports. 5. Regulatory compliance. Safety regulations. Airlines must comply with strict safety regulations set by aviation authorities, such as the Federal Aviation Administration, FAA. These regulations dictate how cargo must be secured to prevent shifting during flight. Safety management systems, SMS. Many airlines use SMS frameworks to identify and mitigate risks associated with cargo transport, ensuring a high level of safety. Importance of proper securing. Properly securing cargo is essential to prevent dangerous in-flight movement, which can lead to accidents or damage to the aircraft. It also ensures that the aircraft's balance and center of gravity are maintained, which is critical for safe flight operations. Advanced cargo securing technologies. Automated cargo loading systems. ULD tracking. Modern aircraft are equipped with automated systems that track the location and status of each ULD. This ensures that all cargo is accounted for and properly secured before takeoff. Robotic loaders. Some airports use robotic loaders to handle cargo. These robots can precisely place and secure ULDs, reducing the risk of human error. Smart containers. Temperature monitoring. For perishable goods, smart containers equipped with temperature sensors ensure that the cargo remains within the required temperature range throughout the flight. Real-time tracking. GPS-enabled containers allow for real-time tracking of cargo, providing updates on the location and condition of the goods. Enhanced securing mechanisms. Advanced straps and nets. New materials and designs for straps and nets provide greater strength and flexibility, ensuring that cargo remains secure even under extreme conditions. Shock absorbers. Some securing systems include shock absorbers to protect sensitive cargo from vibrations and turbulence during flight. Cargo handling procedures. Pre-flight checks. Inspection. Before loading, all cargo is inspected to ensure it meets safety and security standards. This includes checking for hazardous materials and ensuring proper packaging. Weight and balance calculation. Accurate weight and balance calculations are crucial. The aircraft's loadmaster or ground handling team ensures that the cargo is distributed evenly to maintain the aircraft's center of gravity. Loading process. Loading sequence. Cargo is loaded in a specific sequence to optimize space and balance. Heavier items are typically placed towards the center of the aircraft, while lighter items are placed towards the ends. Securing cargo. Once loaded, cargo is secured using a combination of locks, straps, and nets. The securing process is carefully monitored to ensure compliance with safety regulations. In-flight monitoring. Environmental controls. For sensitive cargo, the aircraft's environmental control systems maintain the required temperature and humidity levels. This is particularly important for pharmaceuticals and perishable goods. Security monitoring. Some aircraft are equipped with in-flight monitoring systems that provide real-time updates on the status of the cargo. This includes monitoring for any signs of tampering or movement. Post-flight procedures. Unloading. Careful handling. Upon arrival, cargo is carefully unloaded to prevent damage. Ground handling teams use specialized equipment to move ULDs and pallets safely. Inspection. Cargo is inspected again to ensure it has arrived in good condition. Any issues are documented and addressed immediately. Customs and security checks. Customs clearance. Cargo must clear customs before it can be delivered to its final destination. This involves verifying documentation and ensuring compliance with import regulations. Security screening. Additional security checks may be conducted to ensure that the cargo does not pose any threats. Innovations in cargo security. Blockchain technology. Secure documentation. Blockchain technology is being explored to create tamper-proof records of cargo documentation. This ensures that all transactions and movements are securely recorded and verifiable. Enhanced transparency. Blockchain provides greater transparency in the supply chain, allowing all parties to track the movement and status of cargo in real time. Artificial intelligence, AI. Predictive analytics. AI can analyze data to predict potential issues with cargo, such as delays or damage. This allows for proactive measures to be taken to mitigate risks. Automated decision-making. AI systems can assist in making real-time decisions about cargo handling, optimizing loading sequences, and ensuring compliance with safety regulations. Conclusion. The Boeing 787 Dreamliner is not only a passenger-friendly aircraft, but also a highly efficient cargo carrier. Its advanced design and technology make it a preferred choice for airlines looking to transport goods quickly and safely across the globe.